In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier with Facebook leads. By the end, you'll have your Facebook lead ads connected to Zapier so you can automate follow-ups, notifications, and CRM updates without manual imports. First, head to zapier.com and sign into your account. If you're brand new, create an account first so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open App Connections. This is where Zapier keeps all the services you authorize, and it's the safest place to manage or remove access later. Next, click Add Connection. A search box will appear. In that search field, type Facebook lead ads and press enter. You may see a couple of Facebook options. Make sure you choose Facebook lead ads, since that's the one designed specifically for lead forms attached to Facebook and Instagram ads. Click Add Connection on the Facebook lead ads tile. Zapier will open a Facebook window asking you to sign in and grant permissions. Continue through the prompts, and when Facebook asks which pages or assets to allow, select the pages where your lead forms live. You'll need to allow access to manage leads so Zapier can read submissions. If you manage multiple businesses, double check you're authorizing the correct business manager and page. A quick tip, you must be a page admin and leads access may need to be granted in Facebook's business manager. If you don't see your page during authorization, confirm those permissions first, then return to Zapier and try again. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Zapier, and you should see Facebook lead ads listed under your connections with a connected status. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. If the Facebook pop-up didn't load, disable any pop-up blockers or try a different browser. At this point, your connection is ready to use. You can now create zaps that trigger when a new lead arrives and send that data to your CRM, email marketing platform, spreadsheets, or messaging apps. If you ever change Facebook passwords or permissions, revisit App Connections to reconnect or update access. And if you manage several pages, you can add more Facebook lead ads connections for each account and label them clearly so you always pick the right one when building automations. That's it. You've connected Zapier with Facebook leads and you're ready to automate your follow-up in minutes.